Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Jazz and welcome back to my channel. So I am back with my annual homemade Easter basket making for my kids. So this year I am doing a sports themed basket. So I've gathered all the things that I'm going to be using to make their baskets this year. I got a couple of eggs, a few candy pieces, and then the toys that I'm going to put inside. And these are the baskets here, and I'm just going to go ahead and start to fill everything up inside the baskets here. I did purchase quite a few candy items as well. I didn't go too crazy on the candy like I usually do, just because we've got cupcakes and all kinds of sweet stuff, so I didn't want to overload my kids. But these are some of their favorite candy items. And then I also made these name tags to go on their baskets as well, kind of to mimic last year's theme. And these are the baskets that I got. There are some colorful baskets. I don't usually do like colorful, but I thought these pink, blue, and green baskets were really cute. And I decided to do an active theme this year because my kids are into sports and I'm trying to get them to stay more active outside versus just being on their phones and tablets and things like that. And they love sports related items. So I got my boys baseball bats, and then I got my daughter tennis rackets to put in her basket. And I thought that these were really cute for them. So I got blue for one of my twins, black for my other one, and then my daughter the pink tennis racks. And then these are the little grass that I am going to put at the bottom of the baskets, just to kind of fill the baskets at the bottom, and it kind of matches the theme of each one of their baskets as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start to put this stuff inside the baskets.
I got my shoes on and stepping out the door, feeling that raindrop, want a little more. Splash on the sidewalk, I hear the thunder roar. Same as Nicki Minaj, skipping through blood pools, laughing all the way. Joy in the water, colors start to play. Twirling the downpour, night turns into day. Same as Nicki Minaj, dancing in the rain. Feel the beat, dancing in the rain. Water on my feet, dancing in the rain. World feels so complete. Same as Nicki Minaj. Street lights glowing bright, reflections on the ground. Every drop of.
So guys, these are what the baskets are looking like so far, with the sports items inside and the grass at the bottom here. And now I'm just going to go ahead and start to add the other items in. I have some eggs that I'm going to put in, and then I also am going to add the rest of the candy inside as well. So to begin, I am just going to fill the eggs up, and I've got these eggs here, which are just some colorful eggs that I purchased, and I'm just going to divide them between the baskets. So I'm going to go ahead and begin to do this first, and then these are the candy items that I'm going to put inside. I have these colorful jelly beans here, and they're Jolly Rancher flavor, and they taste so good, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and begin to put these inside.
Calling, but we keep winning in this moment. Love beginning. Seems Nicki Minaj, dancing in the rain. Dancing in the rain. Water on my feet, dancing in the rain. World feels so complete. Light, every move profound. Catch the moments now. Make a joyful sound. Seems Nicki Minaj. Rain keeps falling, but we keep spinning. Storm is calling, but we keep winning in this moment. Love beginning. Seems Nicki Minaj, dancing in the rain. Dancing in the rain. Water on my feet, dancing in the rain. World feels so complete. Light, every move profound. Catch the moments now. Make a joyful sound. Seems Nicki Minaj. Rain keeps falling, but we keep spinning. Storm is calling, but we keep winning in this moment. Love beginning. Seems Nicki Minaj, dancing in the rain. Dancing in the rain. Water on my feet, dancing in the rain. World feels so complete. Catch the moments now. Make a joyful sound. Seems Nicki Minaj. Rain keeps falling, but we keep.
Now that I've got all this stuff inside the baskets, guys, I am going to go ahead and put their little name tags on there. And I got these really huge ones this year just because my kids said they wanted them to be really big and grand on their baskets this year. And the baskets are kind of big, so I was okay with those themes. And then I did get them some cups because I always like to get them something to drink because of all the candy. So since it's sports theme, I went ahead and got these Gatorades to put inside their baskets, and I just found some little cups to go inside. And these are how the baskets turned out, guys. I am pretty happy with them. I think they are so cute, especially the colors on them. And like I said, I didn't overfill them this year, but I still think my kids will really enjoy them. And I think these will be, again, great memories for them as far as their Easter baskets go. So I am always going to come through with them. But I thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.